What if my school let me explore?
What if you could design?
Experiment.
Innovate. Fabricate.
Create.
What if you could design in an innovative space, solving real problems for real people?
And choose my own path. Then design thinking for innovation.
May be right for you.
The Collegiate Program is an opportunity for students to engage in hands-on learning using emerging technologies to solve problems and to come up with creative, innovative designs that can be used to solve problems in the world that we know will be useful in the workforce and in future career pathways for our students.
It's a collaborative space where students are encouraged to test and build and come up with solutions for their own products.
It's an environment, it's a program that allows you to be creative, allows you to be curious, it allows you to be mindful.
It starts with empathy, and this really is the heart and the core of the whole process. It starts with people. It starts with real user needs. It starts with students learning to listen to what somebody else needs and then move forward from there.
When you empathize, you just really dial down on who you want this project to be for and who it's going to help out. And that's a big part in what we do around here. It's just helping out people.
Right now we're working on a podcast with all this professional podcasting equipment, and we're making a podcast about how to solve some of the problems in the school using the design and thinking process that our teacher taught us about.
Thinking of it as a choose your own adventure where we bring students in and we look at the design thinking for 15 course with as an entry level, as a landing place for students to really learn about what is design thinking and how can I use it. And from there, there's the possibility to move on to the 25 and 35 levels in that. And as the student progresses, they have increased opportunities to explore that problem or that area of choice.
So in design and thinking, you have to empathize, define, ideate, and test and prototype.
And usually we'll jump between prototyping and testing a lot because if it didn't work out the first time, you have to go back, fix it, see what the problem is, see what you can fix, what you can make better.
In design thinking, we learn about the steps of the design process. So beginning with empathy, we have to understand our customers, understand the people that we're working with in order to identify exactly what their problem is.
And then work their way through different kinds of solutions and experimenting with different kinds of solutions that are out there, different tools that might help them solve those problems, and then test them and iterate them, and then work with their users to find out whether or not those solutions are actually meaningful and helpful in the real world.
Certainly if you're a student that you lean more towards problem solving through inquiry-based and you're not afraid of having a question mark at the end of something, then this is the program for you.
Our design lab is equipped with a multitude of technologies and tools. We have laser cutters, 3D printers, drones, microbits, Arduinos, Raspberry Pis, soldering stations, and then as many tools as you could possibly need to be able to create whatever you can imagine.
It is cutting edge. It is beautiful equipment. When students engage in the equipment, it works. And when students want to design something, they can design something and it's in their hand, and they can then modify it and print it again. And it works every time, and it's fantastic.
Working hands-on with the projects, it really helps you learn new skills. That's the most important part for me, because I did not know how to use a 3D printer. I did not know how to use a laser cutter, or even how to import and export files through a computer to a USB and all of that. And throughout Design Thinking for Innovation course that I've taken, it's pretty much trial and error. We troubleshoot it, make sure it works, and if not, we just keep going back and forth, and it's a lot of learning throughout the process.
We're not developing technical skills for the sake of developing a technical skill. We're developing it to help solve a problem. And that really is what makes this a really powerful program, because students are learning that you can develop all sorts of different skills in your life and then apply them to help you solve problems in a variety of different kinds of industries and tasks and jobs.
I think one of the really interesting parts of the collegiate program is it gives students the opportunity to explore their skill sets, their interests, and sometimes ones that they didn't even know maybe were their interests or skill sets, but they discover that through hands-on discovery under the direction of a teacher. And then we have the opportunity to steer them in those directions for career pathways through our partners. And we're finding that students and parents aren't always aware of the many career opportunities and pathways that are available and that their student would be excellent at.
Sometimes there's a gap between high school and what they want to do when they leave high school. And so collegiate bridges that gap.
We also have the opportunity then for students to move into dual credit programs where they can then look at that post-secondary route. And when we create a culture in the school of going, it's okay for students to miss an afternoon to go to one of our post-secondary partners to learn in depth, using their expertise, using their facilities to enrich the student learning.
I took the collegiate program because I wanted to help people and learn how to innovate and invent new things and technologies.
I'm currently taking RV service technician, and I really enjoy it because there's about 27 different trades in this one program, and you basically get to do everything.
Dual credit is a super unique program at Calgary Catholic. We've started to expand it quite substantially.
Calgary Catholic partners with a variety of post-secondary institutions such as Lethbridge Polytechnic, Bow Valley College, Olds College, and SAIT.
Any sector that SAIT serves, we're looking to have pathways for youth through dual credit so that students can end up in those sectors as adults in professional careers.
Transitioning from high school to college can be tough. A dual credit program gives you the opportunity to experience what college level education looks like while you're still in high school studies.
As an off-campus teacher, when a collegiate student comes and sees me, first and foremost is I try to find out what their interests are, what their passions are, what they like to do. And then I present them with the 3 pathways through dual credit, through exploratory, and through work experience, through experiential learning. I bring together the puzzle pieces and then decide which pathway is going to be best for the student.
So dual credit students are prepared for real life industry jobs, because what we do is we partnership with the real industry employers who are hiring our students. They tell us what they're looking for in a graduate from our programs, so we try to tailor our programs and what we do towards what they need.
For me, the best thing about dual credit has been getting hands-on experience where you couldn't really get anywhere else.
I know that this changes their lives. I know that their experiences here will help them see school as meaningful, as applicable, and as an opportunity to make them better people moving forward after they leave the walls here.
I like the program because we basically get a lot of freedom with what we choose to work on.
I really like the creative freedom that you get in this program.
My favorite thing about this collegiate program is the community and teamwork. The teachers are very supportive, as well as your classmates.
I think the skills that students need to lean into in high school is the ability to have an open mind. It's to explore and allow your curiosities to prevail. Continue to be curious and not let opportunities scare you.
This is really like a step forward to creating a better future. If you want to learn more about our collegiate program, visit our website or talk to your teachers.